Have you ever wished routine tasks could just do themselves? Meet Power Automate, Microsoft's tool that brings automation to your fingertips. Power Automate helps you create automated workflows between your favorite apps and services, like Outlook, SharePoint, Excel, Teams, and even third-party tools like Gmail, Twitter, or Salesforce. You don't need to write any code. Just pick a trigger, like receiving an email, and choose the action, like sending a Teams notification or saving a file. There are three main types of flows: automated flows, triggered by events; instant flows, which you launch manually; and scheduled flows, which run at specific times. Let's say you get invoices by email every week. Power Automate can scan your inbox, download attachments, save them in a folder, and even notify your finance team automatically. You can use templates to get started quickly, or build your own custom flows from scratch using hundreds of available connectors. Power Automate is used by businesses of all sizes to save time, reduce errors, and keep things moving, even when you're not at your desk. Whether you're in HR, sales, IT, or operations, Power Automate can help you turn repetitive tasks into time-saving workflows. Power Automate doesn't just save minutes, it saves hours. At CyberBark, it's more than just a tool. It's a core part of our business intelligence solutions, helping you streamline reports, automate data workflows, and unlock real-time insights with zero manual effort. Let CyberBark help you automate smarter. Click below to get started.